We dig many trees out of our own fields. Today we're digging 4 to 5 foot tall Norway spruce. This is for a job and for Christmas trees, so if people want to have a live Christmas tree that they can have in their house as a Christmas tree, and then after Christmas take it outside and plant it, we do offer that. We like those trees because we try to dig them in a smaller size tree ball so that you can move it without having like a massive root ball. It's impossible to move. So yeah, we have them here. Come out and select the ones that you like to have, and we'll dig them for you. We have the machine over there. As you dig them, it comes over, puts them down here, and then we wrap them up.
At Highland Hill Farm, we sell transplants and seedlings. If you need to have them planted, we have a tree planter that you can lease on a daily basis. This tree planter is available at our Fountainville, PA location. Just give us a call at 215-651-8329 for all your tree and shrub needs. Thank you. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.